Hello everyone, today I have this dimple lock for you, the R6 Plus from ISEO. You see I already gutted one side, and yeah, just let me tell you about this horrible gutting disaster I just had. So I was filming already, but got it picked, and then I turned the keyway like that. I can insert a pinning shoe. So turned it to 70 degrees or what it is. And yeah, what I didn't know is in the keyway, here's the core I removed. The keyway is so wide open that actually driver pins coming from the bottom or top can enter completely into the keyway and turn like this. Well, if they would turn like this, it would still be okay. You could remove everything and so on, maybe twist the spring. But of course some were staying like this and so on, and it was really horrible. So I had to remove the other side, insert a shim, and then try to push the drivers up while being blocked from the key pins, and yeah, really horrible. So another lesson learned, never pick a lock in use, because that can also happen just from turning the picked lock, right? So let's give this one a try. I thought, yeah, let's finish up the video on this thing anyhow and leave the one side without a core, and it's way easier to get, as you know. Here's the key. It's a 6-pin lock. Nice ups and downs. We'll put a tension in here. Tension counterclockwise. And yeah, let's get picking. I use this curved flag multi-pick. Okay, something binding in the back. 6, 5, 4. No. 3 is binding tightly. I just brushed over it and got in a 4th set. Let's try 1. Deep 4th set. And this is, I think, 3. It's already set. I have just one pin or something now. I think in the back 6 has dropped. One dropped. Okay. And got this picked. So now I will not make the mistake and turn it again. The keyway faces the drivers, but let me just remove the C-clip. And still one has to be a bit careful, because there are these holes. I think they're for passive pins, and I'm not sure if drivers can enter that. So maybe enter a shoe. Let me just get them. I don't know what I will actually do is do the thing I swore I won't do, but use a pinning shoe then. That's also fine. Now the drivers are not shooting out, and I can just safely remove the core. Okay, I need space in my core holder. Okay, so here are the key pins. And also I noticed there's like some construction pinning. Like this is a ball bearing, a small one. And I think it's on like 6-ish or so. You see the black line I drew here. This is matching chamber 5. Let's get the drivers first. One is a spool. Two standard. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 5 is standard. 6 is a spool. And springs are all the same. I'll just put some here. Oh. Tweezers are really magnetic. So I guess these are steel springs. Yeah, one is still in there, but I'll get it out later. Now for the key pins. Okay, let's start from the back then. That is 1. That is 2. And 3. They all standard. Oh. So let me just show you the pins. So key pins are all standard. For the drivers, it's a spool in 1, standard in 2, spool in 3 and 4 and 6, and 5 is also standard. So, thanks for watching. Bye.